So over here you can see that I have a video and an audio right here. So if I were to go around and play this,
Just in a few moments, just like that.
You do hear out the audio right there. But if you want to go around and temporarily, let's say for example, mute out the audio, then you can go around and mute it out right here, just like this. And this particular track will be muted. So the audio is not deleted, it's just muted right there. You can go around and bring in, let's say for example, another music right here, just like this, and press the play button. And you do hear out the music right there, but you don't hear out this audio. You can mute this out as well, and let's say unmute this particular audio
On my playlist, so
and that is what you have. But if I were to go around and then unmute both,
want to learn more about CapCut,
you hear out the voice and the background music right here. Or you can go around and mute it out both as well, and then you don't hear out everything. And that is how you can go around and mute and unmute audio inside of CapCut desktop editor. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.